Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of this Togo Power A240 power charging unit. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that over the past few years, in addition to backpacking, I've also been doing a lot of car camping. And it's funny because my channel is called Hike Oregon, but one of my most popular videos on this channel was my car camping video. I also have a video where I go through my car and kind of show you my car camping setup. That's over on Patreon. Over on both of those videos, I go over needing something like this when I'm car camping. When I car camp, I generally go for 4 to 7 days. I'm going for research purposes, and so I'm going to an area or different areas away from my home to do hiking research for either my books or my website. So having something like this portable charging unit is super handy. In the past, I have not had one of these, and I've just been using, you know, the little backpacking battery banks. Those obviously lose charge pretty quickly, especially when I'm trying to charge my phone, my photo camera, my filming camera, etc. So there are so many of these little units, right? Which one do you get? Which ones are good? They're all very similar in wattage and price and whatnot. So I have the Togo Power A240, and I'm just gonna go over it for you. This company makes this little one, and it is $198. And they also make a bigger unit that is 1,000 watts, and it is $989. So I just have the little one. That is all I need. It weighs 5.9 pounds. It's super small, compact, lightweight. And I'm just gonna go over some of the specs for you guys. This is what the Togo Power A240 looks like up close. I will go over all of these things here in just a second. I just wanted to show you what it looks like up close. It comes with some accessories. So this is the wall charger that you use to charge this unit. This just plugs into here, and then this plugs into the wall. The cool thing is this can also be charged with a solar panel. So that is where this little accessory comes in. Togo Power makes a solar panel that you can purchase extra. Again, you just plug that into here, and then these get plugged into the solar charger panel. Well, hello there. You can also charge this unit via your car. Gets plugged into here, and then this would get plugged into your car. So 3 different ways to charge this guy, which is super handy. If you are camping, you can charge it via the solar panel. If you have a power outage at your house, you can use the solar panel or your car to recharge this guy. Many scenarios where this guy can be recharged. So we talked about the input options. Now let's talk about the output options. So it has a 120 volt AC outlet. So that is this guy right here. You would use that for like a laptop or a low watt heated blanket, which is super handy if you are camping in the cold to have a heated blanket. It's always nice. So then we have USB-A and USB-C, and then of course we know what these are for: your tablets, your phone. The cool thing is you can have all 3 of these in use and still be fine as far as not overdrawing the power. So someone can be using an iPad, someone can be using a phone, and someone can be, you know, have their GoPro plugged in and charging, and you'll still be fine with the output. So this is the 12 volt DC car port, and that one is really handy if you are needing to blow up like your air mattress for your car or your tent, or if you want to blow up like floaties for the lake or the beach or something like that, you will need this guy. So it really has everything that you could need. The 120 AC outlet, the USB, and then of course the 12 volt DC. This is the power button here. I really like that there is an LCD little screen here. It shows you the percentage of battery that is left, the wattage that is being used, and then the bottom number is roughly the number of minutes that you still have on this device. And then there are lights. So this is a little light switch. There is a light here, and then there's another light that's on the handle, which is kind of fun as well. Another great feature about this guy is that, let's say you have plugged this into your solar panel or your car, you can still plug in and charge or use your devices while this is charging. So that's really handy if you are camping and don't want to, wait to have to use your devices. This guy takes quite a long time to charge, so it's nice to be able to still use your devices while you are charging. So yeah, guys, this is my new portable power station. I am super excited to have this on all of my car camping trips this year. It is just so small and compact and is going to fit perfectly in my little adventure car. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you have a little power bank like this for your car camping setup. Comment down below which one you have. Of course, I will link this guy in the more info box below in case you want to grab one for yourself. I think these are super handy, not only if you're car camping, but also tent camping at a campground with your family. Having something like this to charge your devices on is super nice. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next adventure.